Outstanding design defines the 2013 Dodge Durango. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.